Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the top tricks on AGM H6. Alright, let's open up the settings. Let's scroll down until we find the smart controls. Let's tap on that. And we have features such as smart wake, lift to check phone, and the smart motion. Let's begin with the smart wake. We can enable that feature. Pick up the device and double click anywhere on the screen to wake it. We have lift to check time, notifications, and other info. Pick up your phone. And we have the smart motion. But first, let me show you those two features that we have just enabled. The first thing, we need to pick it up and double click anywhere on the screen. So let's pick it up and let's double tap anywhere. Let's do it once again. Pick it up, double tap anywhere, and now we can unlock it. Pretty easy thing. The second thing is only lifting it up to check the notifications. So when our phone is laying flat just like that, you just need to simply grab it and the screen wakes and we can check, do we have some notifications, for example. So that is pretty easy thing, but worth enabling. Next, smart motion. We have easy answer and mute incoming calls. Pick up the device and close to your ear to answer incoming calls. So simply, when this mode is enabled and when someone is calling us, our phone is laying flat just like that. To answer the call, simply pick it up. Let's say that my left hand is my ear. I just need to place my phone just like that next to my ear and the call will be automatically answered. Down below we have mute incoming calls. Flip the device to mute incoming calls. Again, our phone is laying flat like that. Simply, when someone is calling us, flip the phone to mute incoming call. Next thing is side key function. It is right in here. That yellow one. We can enable the PTT. Actually, I don't know what it is currently. And now we have one click, double click, or the long press. Let's say that for one click, we want, for example, to open the flashlight. For double click, let's say the screenshot. And we can, for the long press, let's say that we want to open maybe YouTube. Okay, so let's go. Let's tap once, but let me only unlock the screen. Okay, that was double tap. But as you can see, the screenshot has been also properly taken. I'll click once. That was about the flashlight. Yeah, you can see that it has launched. I click again. It's turned off. So you can see that everything is working. And now let's do with the long press and YouTube should launch. Yeah, exactly. Everything works properly. So that's also a cool thing, that side button. You can change it right in here. Okay. And the last thing that I want to show you is the split view mode. First, we need to open up the first app that we want to use in the split view. So let's say I would like to use maybe Notes. Let's click on Get Started. You can see that we have a lot of them. Let's open a new one. And now open Recent Apps. Simply hold. Oh, not like that. I think, give me a second, because something doesn't want to work just like I would want. Okay, now, I think that you need to have two apps opened in the recent apps. Yeah, now we have the split top function. Click on the second app, and now we are using the split screen mode. It is really useful because thanks to that we can do two things at the same time. We can quickly take notes and quickly switch and, for example, count something. That's not only notes and calculator works for this mode. Other apps also should work. Maybe not all of them, but they will. For example, your browser will work because I have tested it. We can also adjust the size of those windows. Simply grab this bar in the middle and you can adjust the size of the apps. But you need to be aware that if you go too much, one app will be closed. If you double tap this bar in the middle, you can change the size. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.